You want to learn how to install your crochet boho locks?
You damn Skippy.
All right, I'm about to show you how.
Let's
Let's go.
go, sis.
Okay, so the hair I'm using is a 3X Boho Loc 18-inch in a number 2 Features braid by Shake and Go. Okay, what you're going to do is open up the pre-loop with your finger. You're going to take the crochet latch hook and put it in from the top to the bottom on the smooth side. Insert the latch hook through the loop, close the latch hook, and pull it through from the bottom to the top. Then you're going to take your pre-braided natural hair on the end and pull it through the loop on the lock. Then you're going to insert the crochet latch hook through the loop and take the end of the extension, latch it on to the hook, close the latch, and pull it through the pre-loop like you did the natural hair.
Okay, now what?
Now you're going to pull the hair tight against the base of the hair so it can be nice and snug. Make sure you pull the natural hair as well so it can be nice, snug, and even.
What you finna do with the braid?
You're going to tuck the braid inside the lock by pushing the latch hook through the lock, taking the end of the natural hair, and pull it through the inside of the boho lock. Okay, so here's a rule of thumb. As you're pushing the needle through the lock, make sure you push it directly in the middle of the lock so you can hide the braid.
Okay, that's it?
Yep, but before you go to your next one, make sure you roll the lock in the palm of your hand so it can be neat.
Okay, I will. Thank you, girl.